Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to insert or type wine and juice glass using keyboard shortcut key in MS Word. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all open your MS Word, then type here 1F377, then press Alt X, then press enter, then type 1F378, then press Alt X, again hit enter, then type 1F379, then press on Alt X. You can increase the size, select all, then click here. You can change color also. That's it guys. So in this way you insert or type juice and wine glass in MS Word with using keyboard shortcut key. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.